Hello guys, thanks for clicking this video. I made more than 10 radioactive detector projects with the Geiger-Müller tube or ionization chamber detection, and today I made this project to detect radioactive elements. This is the aluminum heatsink, and these two sides are connected over these batteries with the thin copper wire, and also we have one high voltage transformer right there. The voltage coming from this buck converter, it is down converter, and now we are going to test with the Americium 241, and it is my famous test Americium 241 for the smoke detector. I'm turning on the project very well. Yeah, it's working pretty well. The high voltage from anode and cathode will connect to the aluminum and these copper wires. The Americium 241 will make this area conductive, and the high voltage will make a spark, and will get that the Americium 241 is radioactive element. This is the alpha particles, and this is super simple project with conductivity radioactive detector. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.